Hey guys, Brenda here. I don't know about you, but if you love salty, crunchy snacks like I do, but you don't love the empty calories or what they do to your waistline, you are going to want to watch this about how to make kale chips. So here I am out at the Tower Garden. This thing absolutely took off while we were on vacation. I've already harvested a whole bunch of kale, and I'm just going to grab a couple more stalks here just so you can kind of see it is that easy to pick. Oh, hi Jean, so glad you're here. And then so we're just gonna run in the house and make some kale chips real quick. So what I love about this is it's pennies on the dollar to make kale chips at home versus buying them in the store. And then when you grow your own kale, I mean, like, good grief, it's free food, totally. And I don't love to let kale get this big. Let me see if I can prop you guys up here. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Okay. I don't usually love to let it get this big if I'm gonna eat it in a salad, but it's easy to do kale chips when they get big like this. So here's a handy tool, cute Michael Bauer got for me because he knows I love kitchen gadgets. So you just slide your stem in and it pulls the leaf right off because you don't want that big big stem in there. And then I toss them in a bowl like this, and I have an olive oil spritzer that I left at the other end of the counter. You could just, you know, sprinkle olive oil or whatever, but it's super easy to just spritz those down, and then I kind of give them a little rub so they're evenly coated. And then you can put something on like garlic salt or kosher salt. Some of you people who like spicy food, like some hot kale chips with some cayenne pepper. That is not me. Hi, Krista Garvin. So fun to have you here. And then you can put the salt on in the bowl, give it a good toss. And then you're gonna want parchment paper on a cookie sheet. So you definitely want parchment paper because these things dry out super quick. I'm gonna do the other leaf here. You can also do it by hand if you don't have one of my cute little kitchen tools like that. And you just slide the leaf up and the stem comes out. A little more olive oil on this one. And those are ready to go. So I've got some kale chips already in the oven. They have about 6 minutes left. So it's that simple. It's like, it's 3 ingredients. Grab your kale. Oh, I wanted to show you. I'll show you this. This is the stalks of what I harvested already. And you saw it out there. It doesn't look bare at all. Like there's still plenty of kale. I could harvest more kale tomorrow if I wanted to. So that's kind of fun. Hi, Christy. Hi, Tanya. Good to see you guys. And you know, here's the other thing too is, yes, bugs have eaten some of my kale chips. I don't care to have holy kale. They haven't hurt it. They haven't damaged the plant. As long as no bugs are still on there, they're welcome to the party, right? So it's no problem. Your kale does not have to be perfect. You do not have to be a perfect gardener in order to get this done. And let's see how our kale chips are doing in the oven. I'm gonna see if I can put this down just a smidge so you all can see. Oops, just kidding. Okay. Oh yeah, they're looking good. As an experiment, I did some without the parchment paper. Yep, they need a little more time. So that's really as easy as it is to make kale chips. And let me just show you. I'll go ahead and pull one out so you can see and you guys can get going. This is kind of what they look like. And they need to be a little drier than that. Oh my gosh, the garlic salt, you guys, smells amazing. And they'll get really crispy. And you want to get it out of the oven just as the edges start to turn brown. Because they will go from not done to burned in a hot second. So it is not something that you multitask, although here I am going live on Facebook, right? So no perfection required. So, and the other fun thing about this is that your kids can help too, right? Kids love to take stems off They love to spritz with olive oil, rub down on their hands. And so, you know, you can just have them all gathered in the kitchen, around the kitchen table, and do all that. And then here's the thing, when they help you make it, they're gonna help you eat it because they have a connection to their food, which is super fun. So I hope you found this recipe helpful. I hope you're inspired to eat a kale chip the next time you wanna reach for a potato chip. Comment below if you want the link to the recipe and I'll make it easy for you and send it to you. And then also, did you know I have a blog? So it's forkfighter.com. I would love for you to go to my blog and subscribe. I try to do recipes and tips to help your family eat more fruits and vegetables at least once a week. So thanks you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.